Hi, now that the monsoons are here, our skin is going to be, open pores, greasy skin. It's going to feel hot. We're going to have a lot of prickly heat maybe. And the skin really gives a lot of problems and the texture is not very good. So this time what I've done is I've made a lovely cooling pack for you, which you can use along with the Aroma Magic products. So we're going to use any of the toners that we have, a rose hip toner, or you're going to use an aromatic skin toner, which is for an oily skin, or a moringa skin toner, which is for a combination skin. So whichever skin type you have, you can use that toner. And for this thing, I'm going to use cucumber grated. And cucumber grated because cucumber is very cooling, as we all know. Also, it helps to nourish the skin and brighten the skin. And it helps to, in fact, moisturize the skin, which we do need, but it's a natural kind of moisturizer. And also, we have got yogurt over there, because yogurt again is a lactic acid, and it is really very nice and soothing for the skin, helps to brighten your skin, helps to keep it, free from blemishes, and also it's going to help to cool the skin. So we've taken this cucumber, say about half a cucumber, and grate it. Then use yogurt. In fact, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of yogurt into it. Mix it up into a little paste. And I'm going to add the rose hip toner to that. So it comes like this with a thing. So you can either take it out and use it, or you can it'll be like about a teaspoon of rose hip toner. Now you can use any toner that you want. This is for a dry skin, a rose hip toner. You can use the aromatic skin toner for an oily skin, and if you have pimples and rash. And you can use, if you have a combination skin, moringa skin toner. Okay, so I have got a dry skin. I'm going to use this. So we have this gorgeous paste, and now you can take that. Either you can apply it with your hands. First, clean your face, and you can apply it all over on your face and neck, and leave it on for 20 minutes, or you can use it with a brush. This is definitely, keep it on for 20 minutes and then remove it. This is definitely going to, really help your skin, close your pores, brighten your skin, make it feel nice and moist, and at the same time, it's going to be very, very cooling. It's a wonderful pack for this season, which is early monsoon.